30 frames per second fine.
Low power, you dumb fool.
What?
It's dead.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Good. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Welcome to Jackass. Cave Jackass.
We're about to be high on life, bros.
Instance.
Here's Dom, he's high on life.
I'm recording you.
And I'm recording you, record me. Alright, let's do it. Hey look, chewing tobacco. Shit, how'd you guys not slide down here and die?
Yeah, but that plank is pretty far down.
My ass is a little short.
Oh god, my tooth is slowly starting to stick to everything. Hey, we found your water. I don't trust that water though, that's standing water.
Yeah, standing water is a good way to get the cholera.
Man, geocaching, extreme edition.
We should put a geocache at the bottom of this cave.
Dude, that would be great. You'd be like, alright, level 5 geocache. Hope you have an interest in caves because this shit's in a cave.
My small body is naturally good at this.
Your what?
So my small frame is naturally good at this. I was built for caves, like a dwarf.
It's gonna be really muddy.
Oh, good.
Okay, through the water dome or along that ridge?
I'll go along the ridge.
Ooh, what's this way, guys? Yeah, I wouldn't do that. That would be...
Let's do it.
No, I'm not doing it. That was way too small for a human.
Yeah, that gets progressively smaller.
I want to see
There's
it.
no way. You can go.
Pull an action cam. We're about to go see what a small asshole looks like. Ooh. This way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's too small, man. I'll believe you.
It's gonna get... It's like a climb.
Oh, that's a big ass spider.
Let me see.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh, look at this spider.
I didn't see it.
I'm a little scared.
This spider moving. That's cave spider.
Oh, yeah. That's lovely.
Okay, see this.
I'm gonna go past it, and I hope it doesn't get on me. If it gets on me, I'm gonna panic, and I want you
Holy crap.
to punch me right in the back of the
No,
head.
don't go near that spider.
I want to see.
Fuck that spider.
Okay, plan B.
That's a crazy looking spider. Where are you going?
Plan B. Whoa, bro.
Be a cool little area to sleep.
The water starts rising, my ass is coming right here. Dom, come here. I'm sliding down. Make sure I don't break my fucking legs. Okay. Yep.
We'll just...
Real fast. Yeah, look at all that avoidance we just did.
Yeah.
Help.
Oh, these are not hard.
Help me.
Oh, there.
Okay.
But,
You gotta get these waterproof boots, bro. I got dry ass feet right now.
Oh, look at that. Somebody in.
Mike Ashman? Yeah.
Damn.
We have the video of your death.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Next time we should get a mountain goat to carry all of our stuff for us. Alright, time to prove the point of how dark it is in here.
Oh, you wanna go lights off?
Lights off.
Dark, yes.
You better cut it out. I know what you're doing.
So it's pretty dark.